Dangers of over-reliance of ecdies. Dangers of over-reliance of ecdies. Complacent and loss of situational awareness. Excessive trust in ecdies can lead to reduced vigilance among bridge officers. Automated features such as route planning and hazards detection can create false sense of security, resulting in critical warnings being ignored or misunderstood. An example of this is the improper use of automated checks and reliance on incorrect chart scales have contributed to groundings in heavy traffic areas. So examples of this in real life situations is groundings or something like collisions because you rely on ECDIS and you do not rely on other equipment. This is one of the dangers. Alarm fatigue. ECDIS often issues multiple alarms for various scenarios such as shallow waters and collision risk. Too many alarms can overwhelm the crew, causing them to ignore important ones. Example, if a critical alarm about an upcoming danger is missed due to the noise of less important alerts, it can lead to groundings or collisions. So ignoring the alarms because of alarm fatigue can be dangerous and can lead to groundings or even collisions or other dangers of in navigation. Wrong or misleading settings. If ECD is not set up correctly, such as incorrect depths or alarm or chart layers, it can provide misleading information. An example of this is like the shallow depth warning may not be activated because the system settings are incorrect. System failures. Like any electronic device, ECDs can suffer malfunctions or failures. Example is a sudden crash. And if the crew is unprepared of the situation, they do not have any alternative navigational skills because of over-reliance of ECDs. An example of this is MV Obit grounding on Barn Bank 2013. The chemical tanker Ovid ran aground on Barn Bank in the Dover Strait, despite having ECDIS as primary tool of navigation. The incident occurred because the crew did not successfully or did not correctly set up the ECDIS, and because of this, the grounding happened. The key issues include inappropriate safety settings, errors in route planning, and lack of proper use of ECDIS of chart route function. This is the effects of this is an example of real life situation of over-reliance of ECDIS. That is all for my report. Thank you for listening.